Good morning, my dear student. Welcome you in online class of Balsadna Group of Institution. Myself, Parveen Chaudhary, TGT Social Science in Balsadna Public School, Godji. Yesterday we studied about the revolt of 1857 and their beginning spread in different part of India. So today now we discuss about the tribal movement in India. Tribal movement also the part of Indian struggle, and same as this was happened in 1757 to 1857, the time of company rule. Tribals means Tribal means the people who reside in the hilly area, forest area, and these were called as tribal people. Means the tribal uprising or tribal movement in India started after the Battle of Buxar in 1764. As you know, on 23rd June 1757, the Battle of Plassey, East India Company established complete control over Bengal. And after the Battle of Buxar in 1764, East India Company began to process of transforming India into a British colony. And this process of colonization gave rise to public revolt, and which included the tribal revolt. The Britisher interfered in the social, religious, economic, and political life of Indians, which gave rise to many revolts and tribal movement in different part of the country. Some reason of tribal movement started in the country. First, loss of freedom. Loss of freedom, foreigner interfere in self-rule, administrative changes, demand of higher taxes, decline of economy of country, handicraft were destroyed, interference in religious matter, conversation of religion, and these all were the reason of tribal movement started in India. In this term, we studied about some tribal revolt in Bengal, Maharashtra, Odisha, and East India. In this term, first we studied about the Sannyasi revolt. Sannyasi revolt started in West Bengal. Even after the famine in Bengal in 1769-70, Britishers continued to collecting tax. Means at the time of famine, the people were suffering from hunger, water scarcity, food, grain, and Britishers continued to collecting taxes from them, and mostly the tribal movement. The reason of tribal movement was the demand of high taxes. In this term, the Britishers take the high land revenue from the tribal people who reside in the hilly area or forest area. Sannyasi used to do religious travels among with the farming. In this term, these sannyasi also used to do religious travels along with the farming, and the British government banned on these travels. So these sannyasi were annoyed with the British government and decided to revolt against the British government. The sannyasi people became annoyed when ban was imposed on travel to pilgrimage. Sannyasi, along with the local people, invaded and looted the company factories, bungalows, and state treasury of the company, and they fought with the bravely with British soldiers. After a long struggle between sannyasis and Britishers, Warren Hastings crushed the revolt, and this incident is mentioned in the famous novel Anand Math, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So, we studied about the sannyasi revolt. This sannyasi revolt started in West Bengal, and in 1769 in Bengal, a drought, famine, after sannyasi revolt, Coal revolt is also a tribal movement or tribal revolt, which done by the people of Jharkhand. Coal people of Chota Nagpur revolted in 1831 to 1832. Cause of revolt: causes of Coal tribe rebel against local British ruler were the exploitation of English administrative complexities, harsh land tax system, and neglectful behavior of local ruling class. Or Coal tribe revolted against the rigged law on land revenue, rude behavior of the ruling class, and the British maladministration. These protests become more intense in 1831 when land was taken away from their leaders Mundas and given to outsider. Means the Britisher take the land from Coal leaders, and these leaders were called as the Mundas, and their land given to the outsider, in which these people revolted against the British government and local ruling class. This revolt was extremely violent. The trouble started with large scale transfer of land from Coal headmen to outsiders like as Sikh and Muslim. In this, the Coal rebel killed and burnt about 1,000 outsiders. Only after large scale military operations could the order to be restored. Because so we can say this revolt is was very extremely violent. This it is spread in Ranchi, Singhbhum, Palmau and Hazaribagh district of Jharkhand. Peace was restored after military intervention. Means after the interfere of military, after the intervention of military, this revolt could be stopped. President of Kolkata Council named Metcalfe accepted this revolt had clear tone of anti-British sentiments. So this is the Col rebellion. Now next, Santhal revolt. Santhal revolt also done by the people of Jharkhand, and this is took place in 1855 to 1856. Santhal rebellion was a mass revolt against the British rule during 1856, and its leadership and unity was well organized. Means the Santhal, the people of Rajmal Hills, resented the oppression by revenue official, police, moneylenders, landlords, and in general and by the outsider. And it was headed or leadership by two brothers named Sidhu and Kanu. The reason of starting the Santhal revolt was the misbehavior with Santhal people by land revenue officer, exploitation by police, forceful collection of taxes by landlord and money lenders, British exploitive rules. These were the main reason. And the Sidhu and Kanu rose up against their oppressor and declared the end of the company rule, and arrested themselves independent in and declared themselves independent in 1854. It was only in 1857, after extensive military operations, that the situation was brought under control. Sidhu died in 1855 AD, while Kanu was arrested in 1866, and a separate of Santhal Pargana was created by the government to pacify the Santhal. And after Santhal study, we will study about the Bhil revolt. Bhil people reside in Khandes district of Western Ghat in Maharashtra. Or the Bhil tribe lived on the western coast of Khandes districts. By 1812 to 19, these people rebelled against their new master, the Englishmen or the Britishers. Company official believed that this revolt was promoted by the Peshwa Bajirao II. Means company, according to the company's officers, this revolt was promoted by the Peshwa Bajirao II and his representative Triyambak Ji Dangila. While the actual causes were the agricultural related problem and a fear of a new government, but the actual reason were the problem associated with farming and the fear of a new government. Britisher crushed this revolt by sending troops army, battalion of British army. Many units of British army were engaged to suppress the rebellion. The Bhil revolted again in 1825 in the leadership of Sevaram and in 18 and AD, and followed by another revolt in 1846 in the leadership of Sevaram. Next and last rebellion, tribal rebellion, is Ramosi revolt. Ramosi revolt started in 1825 to 1826, and this belongs to Western Ghat. Ramosi was a tribe which lives in Western Ghat. They were very unhappy with the English administration style and its implementation. They were not happy with the British administrations. Its chief Chitra Singh started revolt in 1822, and he looted the area near Satara. Britisher crushed the revolt after military intervention. Means they plundered the region around it, the Satara, and the English could defeat it only due to the better arms and military skills. So I hope you understand about the tribal movement in India, and these tribal movement were held in the South India against the exploitation of British and maladministration of British government, high land revenue tax, and exploitation by the local ruling class. Thank you. Have a nice day.